welcome back. Okay guys, did you like this project? My big, huge project. It's a wonderful, enormous, big album, Wild Hearts, and I designed my own papers. So did you like that project and do you want to buy a kit? Then I'm going to show you exactly what's in the kit, so stay tuned. First, I am going to tell you what's not in the kit, and that is the cardstock. The color cardstock is totally your own decision which color you're going to use. During the tutorials I tell you all about choosing colors, and I did try several colors cardstock, and I ended up with using black, and I made another album with using the pearl grey. Both are from Clairefontaine. Those are the choices that I made. But if you like to use white or brown or any color cardstock you like to use with this paper collection, that's totally up to you. So that's why I did not add any cardstock in it. Alright, but for the rest, everything is in it. Everything. Alright, first of all, of course, there is a little welcome note with just a little tiny little measurements information on it, but every measurement I will give you during the tutorials. Sometimes I write something down and then I want to add this on this paper, but gosh, I can't make it perfect. So I just skipped that. I only made some measurements on this list for the tunnels and for the chipboard. Nothing else, so you don't have to ask for this. It's just a little welcome note. Alright, what else? What else is in it? Of course, the chipboard is in it. And there are 3 pieces in it, so you can make this huge album with these ones. Then, of course, there is the burlap for the spine. The clear sheet that I make my windows with. What else? Of course, the paper pack is in here. Yes, my own papers. Alright, so yes, the Scrapueen Designs paper collection Wild Hearts is in it. 48 sheets are in here, and I used it all to make that enormous album. So you can make it, you can do it. There is also a bonus sheet where you can cut out more elements. I totally forgot about that during the tutorials, but if you like, you can cut them all out and use them. Then I also used several of the quotes in black or in gold. So I also added a few pages for you inside in here. There is a template that I used, this shape I used and this shape I used. So there is a template that I used also. Of course, there is a ribbon set, all the ribbons I used. And there is also a nice embellishment bag with everything inside, everything, even some more. So that is included, even the magnets are inside here, guys, everything. And then of course the flower set. This cute little flower set that I used in front of the cover. So everything is inside unless the cardstock. Instead of the cardstock. That's not included. For everything is inside this album, is in this kit to make this enormous, big, huge mini album. Alright, so limited edition, guys. So sorry. Keep your hands, get your hands on it, guys. You can order this. I don't have any Etsy left anymore. You can contact me through my email or through my Facebook Messenger or any kind of contact. Sorry, but the easiest way for me is through my email. There is another way, and that all the links are below this video, of course. Below each video that you can find my email, you can find my Facebook pages. But recently I also made a link, a little website, kind of a watch website. It's not the same as Etsy, but you can watch what's in my yeah, shop. Let's call it a shop. Okay, so you can watch there if you want to see, if you want to know more information. You also can order through there if you want to add more, let's say bookbinders linen or another kit or an album. Go to that link, and it's called Marktplaza. You will see that link below the video also. To be found, and just check it out. And I do have made an explanation video about that. It's a little wobbly and a little wiggly, but I explained that. If you want to watch that, then please watch that video where I explain how that site works. It's just a watching site, but you also can order through there, and then I will receive an email through that website, and then I will see your order, and then I come back to you through the email and we have a conversation or how or what. But if you don't like to go there, then just email me and ask me 1,000 questions and I will answer them. Alright, so yeah, but don't wait too long because it's definitely a limited edition, so out is out. Alright, so give me a big thumbs up if you like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, one last thing. If you're not interested in the full kit, the papers are also available. Plus, there is also a printable for this one. So check it out. So there is a kit. You can buy the papers or you can buy the printable. So there are 3 different ways to get this cute collection. Alright, bye bye. Love you.